Hi everyone, it's your friend Paige at the Crystal Beer Parlor. I just wanted to let everyone know we are making holiday sides this year. We're gonna do all of the work for you so that you have more time to spend with your family. If you want us to make macaroni and cheese, green bean casserole, sweet potato casserole, collard greens with smoked pork, peach cobbler, broccoli casserole, Savannah red rice, dressing with gravy, little loaves of cornbread, we've got you this year. A small pan feeds 2 to 4 people, and a large pan feeds 10 to 12. So call us at 349-1000 or come on down and order yours today. And after you order and we make them for you, you come on down and pick them up on Christmas Eve from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. That will be our pickup times. So come on down and enjoy your sides being made by us, taking the work away from you. Orders will be taken until December 18th. Get yours today at Crystal Beer Parlor. Great food, great drinks, great service, Crystal Beer Parlor. Happy holidays.